We played the game of stay away, but it costs more than I can pay. Without you, I can't make my way. I surrender, dear. I may act gay, I may seem proud, it's just a pose. I'm not that way. Deep down inside my heart I say, I surrender, dear. Little mean things we were doing must have been part of the game, lending a spice to the wooing. Oh, I don't care who's to blame when stars appear and shadows fall. Why then you'll hear my poor heart call to you, my life, my love, my all. I surrender, dear. And then you hold my hand, la da da dee, la dee dee dee. And then I understand, la da da dee, la dee dee dee. Your eyes of fire with one desire, then a heavenly kiss. Could I resist? And then you dim the light, la da da dee, la dee dee dee. And then you hold me tight, la da da dee, la dee dee dee, la da. Then you take us to paradise. For the very first time I find, for the first time, I'm head over heels in love. For the very very first time, I know that the last time was everything else but love. For the very first time, there won't be a next time. My romancing days are all through. All my love affairing was simply preparing to love for the first time you. For the very first time, there won't be a next time. My romancing days are all through. All my love affairing was simply preparing to love for the first time you. I can't forget the night I met you. That's all I'm dreaming of. And now you call it madness. Ah, but I call it love. You made a promise to be faithful. You swore by stars above. Now you call it madness. Ah, but I call it love. My heart is beating, it keeps repeating for you constantly. You're all I'm needing, and so I'm pleading. Please come back to me. You made a plaything out of romance. What do you know of love? That's why you call it madness. Ah, but I call love. Who's rushing where angels fear to tread? And so I come to you, my love, my heart above my head. Though I see the danger there, if there's a chance for me, then I don't care. Who's rushing where wise men never go. But wise men never fall in love. So how are they to know? When we met, I felt my life begin. So open up your heart and let this fool rush in. I'm not much to look at, nothing to see. Just glad I'm living and lucky to be. I've got a woman crazy for me. She's funny that way. Can't save a dollar, can't save a cent. She never hollers, she'd live in a tent. I've got a woman crazy for me. She's funny that way. Though she loves to work and slave for me every day, she'd be so much better off if I went away. But why should I leave her? Why should I go? She'd be unhappy without me, I know. I've got a woman crazy for me. She's funny that way. Though she loves to work and slave for me every day, she'd be better off if I went away. But why should I leave her? Why should I go? I'd be unhappy without her, I know. I've got a woman crazy for me. She's funny that way. What is this thing called love? This funny thing called love. Just who can solve its mystery? Why should it make a fool of me? That's why I asked the Lord in the heavens above, what is this thing called love? Alone from night to night you'll find me, too weak to break the chains that bind me. I need no shackles to remind me I'm just a prisoner of love. For one command I stand and wait now, for one who's master of my fate now. I can't escape, for it's too late now. I'm just a prisoner of love. What's the good of my caring if someone is sharing those arms with me? Although she can have another, I can have another, for I'm not free. She's in my dreams awake or sleeping. Upon my knees to her I am creeping. My very life is in her keeping. I'm just a prisoner of love. A cigarette that bears the lipstick traces, an airline ticket to romantic places. Oh, how my heart has wings. These foolish things remind me of you. A tinkling piano in the next apartment, those stumbling words that told you what my heart meant. Oh, silent whispering, these foolish things remind me of you. You came, you saw, you conquered me. When you did that to me, I knew somehow it had to be. The winds in March that makes my heart a dancer. The telephone that rings, but who's to answer? Oh, how the ghost of you clings. These foolish things remind me of you. How strange, how sweet to find you still. These things are dear to me. They bring you oh so near to me. Gardenias, candlelight, perfume table, kissing your precious neck. When I remove your sable, understanding your whispering, these foolish things remind me of you. Tear a star from out the sky, and the sky feels blue. Tear a petal from a rose, and the rose weeps too. Take your heart away from mine, and mine will surely break. My heart is yours to make, so please keep the spark away. Would you take the wings from birds so that they can fly? Would you take the ocean's roar and leave just a sigh? All this your heart won't let you do. This is what I beg of you. Don't take your love from me. And now the purple dusk of twilight time steals across the meadows of my heart. High up in the skies, the little stars climb, always reminding that we're apart. You wander down the lane and far away, leaving me a song that would not die. Love is now the stardust of yesterday, the music of the years. spend the lonely night dreaming of the song, the melody haunts my reverie, and I am once again with you. When our love was new, and each kiss an inspiration. Oh, but that was long ago, and now my consolation lies in the stardust of the sun. Beside a garden wall, when stars were bright, you were in my arms. The nightingale tells his fairy tale of paradise where roses bloom. Though I dream in vain, in my heart it will remain. My stardust melody, the memory of love's refrain. Domino, domino, you're an angel that heaven has sent me. Domino, domino, you're a devil designed to torment me. When your heart must know that I love you so, tell me why, tell me why. Why do you make me cry, domino? Just one look in your eyes and I melt with desire. Just the touch of your hand and I burst into fire. And my whole world fills with music. When I'm lost in your embrace. But I know that you're fickle and I'm not misled. Each attractive new face is bound to turn your head. And it scares me that tomorrow someone may take my place. Domino, domino, won't you tell me you'll never desert me? Domino, domino, if you stay, I don't care if you hurt me. Fate has made you so. You can't change, I know. You can't change, though you try. But neither can I, domino. Domino, domino, I'd forgive anything that you do. Domino, my domino, nothing matters as long as I have you. How much do I love you? I'll tell you no lie. How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? How many times a day do I think of you? How many roses are sprinkled with dew? How far would I travel to be where you are? How far is the journey from here to a star? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? Everything I have is yours. You're part of me. Everything I have is yours. My destiny. I would gladly give the sun to you if the sun were only mine. I would gladly give the earth to you and the stars that shine. Everything that I possess, I offer you. Won't you make my happiness come true? I'd be happy just to spend my life waiting at your beck and call. Everything I have is yours. My love